Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Now, high mileage, but one lease company owner from you. One lease company, something to the National Health Service. These cars are properly looked after. So, Seat Alhambra 2 litre TDI SEL DSG automatic Euro 6 start stop. 156,000 miles. CAMBELT replaced at 118,000 miles. Printout of service history. Properly maintained. Lots of oil changes, inspections. Just lovely. I think you'll tell from the photos and the video. I've just driven it. Drives like brand new. Exceptional value for a 2019 69 plate vehicle. Registered in the latter part of 2019, £10,595. Now, inside and out, this car looks like it's done 40,000 miles. Original and lovely. Just gone straight through the MOT with no advisories, but they are, as well as serviced, on time. They do go through a safety inspection every 6 months. So MOT'd every 12 months, safety inspected every 6 months. Okay, dark blue metallic, black leather, heated seats, electric memory seats on the driver's side, piano black, dashboard cappings, automatic, power sliding electric side doors. I've left the reverse camera on so you can see it's sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, lane assist. Lovely. So one pull of the door handle and it will open automatically. That's what the sticker says. So yeah, 7 seats, leather seats, lovely condition throughout. £10,595, one owner, mega history, CAMBELT done, just been serviced, just been MOT'd. Power tailgate, as you can see, super clean. A lot of car for the money, this. I mean, it really does drive like new. Can't see any dents or any real scratches. Whoever's driven this for its 150,000 miles has been very careful. Brakes look new. All 4 tyres are very good. It's just gone through the MOT. Front and rear park sensors. Obviously reverse camera. Fully electric doors. Rear climate control. Leather trims in lovely condition. 6 and 7 seats are very nice. Driver's door cards in very good, the whole car is. So electric mirrors, folding mirrors, electric seats, memories for the driver's seat position, leather seat not worn at all, lane assist, reverse camera, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, road speed sign recognition, all the bits. 10,595. Lovely. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. There'll be some other Alhambras and Charans on there. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.